Very exciting. We made it after about 4 hours drive. Absolutely magnificent, absolutely beautiful. There she flows from all the way up here, all the way down, comes down the little bridge, comes on there, carries on around here, all the way down here, and then comes down here. And she's called Pistyll Rhaeadr or Rhaeadr. I'm not quite sure how you pronounce it, but I'll put it here. We've just drove all the way from Pembrokeshire to come all the way to shoot this one. We haven't got much light over here, but I think that's going to work in my favor for the exposure. It'll work a lot better, in my opinion. It is a sunrise sort of shot because the sun's on that side, but at the minute it's over on that side, so we might not get shot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly get my setup before it gets too busy, because it's really busy over here. I'm going to start shooting, and it's going to be like I'm going to say about 5 stop. I don't know if I'm going to use a grad on the top. I don't think I will. I am contemplating to fly the drone. Just I want to get to the top and see what it looks like and where it's flowing from. Let's see how that goes. So I was contemplating to fly the drone, which I did, but I didn't get very far. It actually hit one of the branches as I was actually coming back, so I managed to get a shot, a nice long exposure shot with the drone, and that one you can see. But when I flew the drone back, hit the branch, fell on the floor, done. No more drone footage. Let's carry on. So I'm going to smack you down for a second, get some shots, and then carry on. Right, see you in a minute. So as you can see here behind me, we've got the Pistyll Rhaeadr Waterfall. I mean, that's only one part of it. Then you've got the other part, and you can't even get this with the lens I'm using right now. I'm using a 24-70, not anything wider, but still it's like so high and so majestic. It's stunning. You just want to sit here. I can see why people are coming on the bench and just sitting down, but it's absolutely phenomenal. I think I'm going to just go over here and just to sit back there and see what it's like, but it's beautiful otherwise. Stunning, stunning. So there we have it, one of the best waterfalls in England, in my honest opinion. This is phenomenal. I can see why people are coming here by the dozens, day by day. I mean, just look at it. You're probably not going to get to see all of that in the lens right now, but it's absolutely phenomenal. I'm really, really happy that I've got this one ticked off the bucket list. I will definitely be returning to this place. I mean, the drive is a bit here and there with the single track road and stuff, but minor. Once you get here, again, it's one of those locations you can do in a day. You can spend all day. There's so many different compositions, but you got to be careful about is so many people that stand on the bridge and in the area and just behind me probably as well. So you got to be patient and be tolerable about that kind of stuff. What can you really do? So for the shot, it was a simple shot. All I did was polarize it as ever, just to clear out the glare and make it a bit darker. And all I used was a 5-stop. Where some images I did get the top of the actual waterfall, I used the 4-stop medium grad. So thanks Mark for that again, just to balance the top off, but not in a lot of shots. It was, the light's gone now, and I like it when the light's like this because you have a lot more control over your subject and the photography that you're doing. I've just got the simple one composition. I'm happy with that. I'm going to box that one off. We're going to head up to the next location, but from here I really hope you enjoyed the video. I know there wasn't a lot to talk about because there's a lot of people in the way, and I don't like videoing a lot of people when they're in the shot, but it's a wonderful location. So if you're not following me already, do subscribe, like and comment. Any feedback welcome in the comment section below, and I will link up with you guys with the next video at some point. See ya.